Today I will speak to you about what you have forgotten. Dear children, my name is love, that I am among you, for so much of your time is love. Because the great love sends me, I am asking the same of you. I am asking for love in your families. I am asking that you recognize love in your brother. Only in this way, through love, will you see the face of the greatest love. May fasting and prayer be your guiding star. Open your hearts to love, namely salvation. Thank you. May fasting Thank you. Open your hearts to love, namely salvation. Thank you. Thank you.